Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I have a huge unboxing today. I'm actually doing several unboxings in separate videos, including this one right here. This one, I'm not sure where it shipped from, but I just basically like talking about different stuff that I purchased. I'm not sponsored by any of the products in the video, but I would love to be. If you want to sponsor my video, you can always slide up in my DMs if you have a cool product. I try and do healthy, lower carb, lower sugar things. Yeah, it's just something I do. Right here we've got two Jack Link's big beef sticks. This is a low carb, low sugar snack. These are great when I'm doing traveling, which I haven't been doing a lot because of the whole virus, or sneaking into the movies when I'm trying to do super low carb. But they're just a good snack. So there's some Jack Link's big beef sticks, two of them. One of my absolute favorite things, Jack Link's Tender Cuts Prime Rib, absolutely delicious. I got two of them in this unboxing. I love Jack Link's. I'm not sponsored by them, but they're a great thing. This is from Amazon. Another one is Blue Diamond Sweet Thai Chili. I do the Amazon subscribe and save, so I get one of these a month, and they're yummy. You need to try them. Check out some of my taste testing reviews of each of these items. And last but not least, we have this Blue Diamond Bold Salt and Vinegar. I buy these by the case, get the subscribe and save. This is salt and vinegar, 2 net carbs per serving. So these are great for on the road. These are great for sneaking in the movie theater when they reopen. Hopefully July 10th is when they're tentatively going to open. But I think the first couple times I'm going to go, I'm going to get some popcorn. But yeah, so pretty simple concept. Got some almonds, salt and vinegar, got some sweet Thai chili, got some Tender Cuts Prime Rib, and got some big beef sticks from Jack Link's. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other hundreds and hundreds, probably over 1,000 unboxings. And let me know what you guys think. If you want to help support the channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. If you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. That's riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice and use my username as your coupon code. That's London Hawthorne, and you're going to save a couple bucks off each and every shirt, and I get a couple bucks in credit. Every little bit adds up. You can also just hit the thumbs up button, the notification bell on my channel, and you can find other thousands of videos that I've posted. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Leave a comment, some low carb, low sugar snacks you'd recommend. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.